Have you ever wished you could control multiple Android phones from your computer without buying expensive devices or dealing with slow Android emulators? Imagine managing several mobile apps, switching between different accounts, automating repetitive tasks, and even creating AI content, all from a single dashboard. Sounds interesting, right? Well, I recently discovered a platform called GeeLark, and it claims to make all of this possible using cloud-based Android phones. So in this video, I'm going to test it out, explore its key features, and see whether it's actually useful for creators, developers, agencies, and anyone who manages multiple mobile workflows. Let's get started. Now, before we jump into the platform, let's first understand why a tool like this is becoming so useful. These days, almost everything revolves around mobile apps, whether you're posting Instagram Reels, uploading TikTok videos, managing YouTube Shorts, testing Android applications, or handling client accounts. Many important features are designed primarily for mobile devices. But once you need to manage more than one account or workflow, things can quickly become complicated. Buying multiple Android phones isn't practical for most people. It costs a lot, takes up valuable desk space, and constantly switching between devices can slow down your productivity. At the same time, traditional Android emulators often consume a lot of system resources, and running several of them together isn't always the smoothest experience. So I started looking for a better solution, something that could give me the flexibility of multiple Android devices without actually needing multiple physical phones. That's where GeeLark caught my attention. Instead of relying on physical devices or traditional emulators, GeeLark provides cloud-based Android phones that you can control directly from your computer. The idea sounded simple but powerful, so I wanted to see if it could actually make managing multiple mobile workflows easier. Let's log in and take a closer look. The first thing you'll notice inside GeeLark is something called Cloud Phones, and this is really the core of the entire platform. Think of these as Android devices running securely in the cloud. When I created my first cloud phone and launched it, it felt surprisingly similar to opening a real Android smartphone. You get a complete Android environment where you can install apps, browse the web, log into your accounts, and use it just like you would on a physical device. Another nice thing is that GeeLark supports multiple Android versions, so depending on your requirements, you can choose the version that best fits your workflow. Once the cloud phone is up and running, everything feels familiar and responsive. You simply interact with it from your computer, while the Android device itself runs in the cloud. What I really liked is that each cloud phone works independently, making it much easier to organize different projects or accounts in separate environments. Instead of constantly switching between physical phones, everything is available from one dashboard, making the overall workflow much cleaner and more efficient. After launching my cloud phone, the next thing I wanted to test was installing apps. GeeLark includes a built-in app store where you can browse and install popular applications directly onto your cloud phones. The process feels just like installing an app on a regular Android device. And if the app you're looking for isn't available in the store, you can simply upload an APK file and install it manually. This gives you plenty of flexibility, especially if you're working with different tools or testing applications. Everything stays inside the same platform, making setup quick and convenient. One feature that immediately caught my attention was the synchronizer. Instead of controlling every cloud phone individually, GeeLark lets you mirror your actions across multiple devices at the same time. For example, if you open an app, scroll through a page, or perform an action on your main cloud phone, the same action is reflected on all the selected devices simultaneously. Watching multiple Android phones respond together is honestly one of the coolest parts of the platform. It can save a lot of time when you're performing the same workflow across several devices, and it makes managing multiple environments much more efficient. Next, I wanted to explore the automation features. GeeLark comes with several automation tools, including RPA, Synchronizer, and API support. For most users, the easiest place to start is the built-in RPA templates. These ready-made workflows are available for popular platforms and common tasks, helping you automate repetitive actions without having to build everything from scratch. You can also customize these workflows to match your own needs. I like that the goal here isn't to replace what you do manually, but to reduce repetitive work so you can spend more time focusing on creating content, managing projects, or improving your overall workflow. Beyond cloud phones and automation, GeeLark also includes a few AI-powered features that I found quite useful. Inside the library section, you can generate AI images and videos without leaving the platform. It also comes with an AI assistant that can help answer questions and guide you through different features. While I think the cloud phones and automation tools are the biggest highlights, having these AI capabilities built in is definitely a nice bonus. Instead of switching between different websites to create content, you can generate creative assets and use them directly in your workflow, making the whole process much more convenient. After spending some time exploring the platform, I think GeeLark is best suited for content creators, social media managers, agencies, e-commerce businesses, and even developers who need to test apps across different Android environments. The biggest advantage isn't just one feature, it's how everything works together. You get cloud-based Android phones, app management, automation, synchronization, and AI tools all in a single platform. If you're interested in checking it out for yourself, I'll leave the official link in the description below. You can try it out and see if it fits your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.